Welcome to the Kansas Grazing Lands Coalition, or KGLC for short. Since 1991, we've been dedicated to one mission: the sustainability and improvement of Kansas grazing lands. So what exactly is KGLC? We're a team that promotes sustainable grazing. Through partnerships and education, we're working to keep Kansas grasslands thriving for generations to come. Let's talk about what we do. First, education. We host grazing academies, rancher seminars, and community events. Second, we support local solutions to grassland challenges through regional partnerships. Third, we promote prescribed fire and invasive species management. And fourth, we work directly with landowners, helping them set goals and build custom plans that fit their land. Let's dig into technical assistance and grazing management. Our rangeland professionals provide one-on-one support, real conversations right on the land. We help with forage inventories, grazing plans, livestock water strategies, weed control, prescribed burning, and wildlife-friendly options. Education is key, and we make sure landowners understand proper grazing management techniques. Each plan is tailored. We evaluate the land and create custom strategies to meet specific objectives. We also help control noxious weeds and prevent woody encroachment, major threats to healthy grasslands. Now let's talk about fire. We support local prescribed burn associations across Kansas. There are over 15 active burn associations statewide, working together for better grassland health. Through fire education, we promote healthy ecosystems and better wildlife habitats. KGLC also offers burn planning workshops, training, schools, and even a YouTube burn series. Education doesn't stop there. We host events across Kansas, open to anyone who wants to learn more about rangeland care, from ranch tours to our annual grazing academies, even youth camps, helping the next generation of land stewards grow strong. We also provide cutting-edge online resources, available anytime, anywhere. From seasonal conferences to academies and workshops, there's always something happening at KGLC. Now let's take a look at the Great Plains Grassland Initiative. This USDA NRCS program focuses on controlling woody plant encroachment to protect grassland ecosystems. The goal? Support biodiversity, sustainable livestock production, and protect the Great Plains biome. But we face real challenges. Woody encroachment reduces productivity, raises wildfire risk, and threatens native wildlife. So what does healthy rangeland really look like? This one's easy. Healthy rangeland is open, tree-free, and full of life-giving grass. That's what we're working to protect. Defending the core of Kansas rangelands starts with education and action, and that's exactly what we do. We don't do it alone. Our work is powered by partners, from agencies to local groups who believe in healthy grazing lands. Want to get involved? Visit us at w.kglc.org and join us in preserving Kansas grazing lands.